Hello guys, today how to install Visual Studio Code and run HTML code directly in browser. First of all, we go to uh, download Google and download Visual Studio Code, Visual Studio Code for Windows. Then download, open Visual Studio Code. Now click on Windows. Now I can get download. It takes some time. Now you can see here Visual Studio Code. Okay, now successfully I can download my Visual Code. Now install Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Next, it is a fine and easy create on desktop. Okay, it is a very nice tool for HTML coding and Python coding and Angular coding, Node.js coding. It is a very useful to any other programming. Here we can see our Visual Studio Code. Right, my first screen is running. Now I can open folder. Now here I can click create one folder. Its name is HTML demos. Now I can select this folder for my programming purpose. Now here I can click demo1.html. okay, here I have typed one small code snippet of HTML, and here is a title tag my first website, and body tag this is my first HTML code in Visual Studio Code. Okay, next one. And okay, now I want to run, but first of all this is my code, but I am not directly run on a browser. So first of all, click on extension and search over here, open browser, okay. Now I can install this, open in browser. This allow you to open the current file in your default or application in a browser. Now I can install. Now right here, whatever my default browser is set, this code is run in a browser. Now click HTML demo. And click on okay, my code is not display. I am not save the content. I am not saving my content over here. H1. Okay, I need to save my code. Control S. Now I can save my content and right click and open in default browser. I can see my studio. Thank you for watching this video. Share and subscribe and comment and visit my informative site. Thank you for watching this video.